Now, I will give Jaegeun a word, and he will say it into the cup telephone. I will give Hayul a secret word, and she will say it into the cup telephone.
Today, we are going to talk about sound energy. A wave at the beach is a beautiful example. You see the wave move the water up and down? That movement is energy. The wave carries energy through matter. A sound wave is a mechanical wave, and that's a big science word for energy movement, or matter carrying energy through waves. Here are some facts about matter. What's the matter? Atoms are the matter. At the lowest density, the vacuum of space has very few atoms. A gas like a space nebula, or a gas giant planet like Jupiter, Saturn, or the air around our Earth has lots of atoms. But a gas has a low density of atoms. Liquids, like water, have more atoms than gases and a greater density. A solid, like ice or metal, has the highest density of atoms.
Now it's time to start asking questions. What's the difference between a sound wave and a mechanical wave?
Next, let's remember a mechanical wave moving through matter. First, equilibrium. Everything is quiet and still. 2, here comes a force, like a rock. Third, the force presses the atoms together. Can you see the water press and stretch? Press and stretch. Fourth, the atoms carry the energy, and that's the wave. The waves ripple. Think about dominoes. The domino effect is like a wave of mechanical energy.
Next question. What state of matter carries the disturbance fastest? Solid, liquid, or gas?
In a solid, the atoms are denser, the same as these black blocks. In a liquid, the atoms are farther apart. The blue blocks are the liquid. Last are the white blocks. They are atoms in a gas, the least dense. Remember, a wave has 4 parts. Right now, at the start, everything is in equilibrium. Second, I will force the first block. Third, the disturbance carries the energy. The fourth part is this wave of falling blocks, the domino effect. The atoms are densest in a solid. The domino effect carries energy faster when the atoms are close. The speed of sound is fastest in the densest solid.
Can we see sound waves? An experiment can answer that question. But I guess that we can't see sound waves. It's time for me to introduce my friend, Oobleck. Oobleck is a weirdo, sometimes solid and sometimes liquid, but this weirdo is easy to make at home.
You need cornstarch, water, and a place to mix it. The atoms get more dense when you press. The force makes Oobleck hard. Pressing makes it solid. The Oobleck changes back into a liquid with no force. If you have an old speaker, then you can put plastic wrap on top. Tape it down, but leave it loose. Tight is not good. Don't stretch the plastic, because we want to put something on the speaker, here. Next, we need a sound wave, which you can find at onlinetonegenerator.com. Now we can experiment with sound waves and matter. Let's put water on the speaker. The water ripples with the sound waves. Next, we'll try Oobleck. The vibrations are hard to see. Watch the Oobleck dance when I touch it. The sound wave is a force, so the vibrations make the Oobleck hard. The water and Oobleck were in equilibrium. The sound energy started in the speaker, the sound wave moved the water and then the Oobleck. The force made the Oobleck hard. It danced a little. Compare the Oobleck without a sound wave's force and the Oobleck with a sound wave's force.
After an experiment, we analyze our work. Were we successful? Did we see the sound waves? No. But we did see the sound waves move the water and the Oobleck.
Our last experiment is a cup telephone. We will use 2 plastic cups, 2 paper clips, a really long piece of yarn or string. We only need one tool, a pointy knife, to make a small hole in the plastic cup.
And if we're successful, we can hear our friend's voice inside the telephone.
First, cut a hole in the middle of the 2 plastic cups. You can ask mom or dad or some other adult for help because the knife can be dangerous. Next, open the paperclip and tie the string on the paperclip. Third, I like to make a V shape with the paperclip and push it through the hole in the plastic cup. Fourth, make an E or M shape with the paperclip. When you stretch the string, the paperclip will press tight against the plastic cup.
So we have to keep it tight or you can't hear the voice. The voice is the vibration. Now I will give Jaegeun a word and he will say it into the cup telephone. Science starts with a question. Okay, so Junwoo, what did he say?
I hear science test question.
Science starts with a question. Oh, so close, so close. I will give Hayul a secret word, and she will say it into the cup telephone.
Your secret word is measure your experiment.
Sky, what did Hayul say?
Measure is experiment.
Measure your experiment. Good job.
God, I hate Oobleck. I hate it.